driving up one of my favorite mountains right now. Let me know how you guys like the sound of the car, how it is now. I definitely do love it, how the car sounds now. It sounds super good. The car drives amazing with the upgrades. We don't have any electrical issues anymore, nothing. The car is running absolutely spot on. The car handles so good in those corners, it's perfect on street tires, guys. It's really super good. And I'm so focused to drive the car that I always forget to talk because I'm enjoying the car so much. And look how green everything is, guys. The mountains here are just beautiful. Incredible. I love that road here, guys. It's perfect. Has some tight corners like here. So much grip. It's insane on street tires, like, I'm not even joking. This is absurd. And keep in mind, guys, I'm not even pushing the car, right? Like, that's far away from the limits. I'm just casually driving up the mountain. This is a cheat code on Touge runs like that. super good. So here's a quick 1, 2, 3 guys for you. So good. Some tight corners coming up here again. Wow, this is so good. Driving through tight corners like that is the best thing. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the first drive of the Evo. I hope you really like the sound of the car. I'm super stoked what you guys are going to say about it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and with that being said, guys, see you in the next one.